This was in The Guardian yesterday. I have seen similar articles printed in a variety of different newspapers in the past, and this really bothers me. It's basically an opinion piece by a man besotted by his dog, but unable to provide any coherent reason why. The description he gives seems to be full of reasons why he should not be besotted. But he is the kind of nutter who is willing to carry a dog around in a rucksack and then tell people about it. He and his family hide in a separate small room while the dog, which takes chunks out of their flesh and clothing, has the run of the place. And he tells people about this. This is not the kind of stuff that should be in a serious newspaper, or any type of newspaper for that matter. If the word dog was replaced by the word God in the title of the piece, I cannot imagine The Guardian running with it. Both would be equally faith-based, but one about God would attract angry letters of complaint. Adrian Chiles is a radio and TV presenter.